Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera, and I'm Shefali. In a historic and strategically significant move, the Indian government has opened the Shipkila Pass, located on the Indian-Tibet border in Himachal Pradesh, Kinnaur district, to tourists and the general public for the first time since 1947. Nestled in the rugged and high-altitude terrain on the Himalayas, Shipkila Pass has long remained one of the most tightly guarded frontier areas, restricted primarily to cross-border trade. With the latest development, it will now serve as a gateway for civilians and tourists to explore India's remote and sensitive borderlands. The initiative was formally launched on Monday by Himachal Pradesh CM Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, who became only the second state leader to visit the pass. The first was Dr. Yashwant Singh Parmar, Himachal's founding chief minister, followed decades later by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, who tracked to the location in 1968, long before road connectivity existed. CM Sukhu's visit, a symbolic acceleration of civilian presence. Now marking the occasion, CM Sukhu laid the foundation stone of Sarhad Van Udyan, a green development project near the border, under the newly launched Border Tourism Initiative. The project aims to combine environmental conservation with tourism-driven development in the remote Himalayan belt. Addressing Indian Army and Indo-Tibetan Border Police personnel stationed at the frontier, as well as local residents, the CM praised the courage and commitment of security forces guarding India's frontiers. Raising patriotic chants of Bharat Mata Ki Jai, he tracked to a high vantage point known as Indira Point to survey the line of actual control with Tibet currently occupied by China, opening a previously inaccessible region. Now, Shipkila Pass has historically served as a critical trade coordinator between India and Tibet, used for centuries by local traders exchanging goods such as wool, salt, and grains. However, cross-border trade through this route was suspended in 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic and remains non-operational. With this move, the pass is being repurposed as a unique high-altitude tourism hub, aimed at encouraging responsible civilian movement in India's border zones. Under the new regulations, tourists can reach Shipkila by travelling via the Shimla-Kinnaur highway and taking a detour near Khwab village. Entry in the areas will be permitted upon presentation of valid identity documents such as Aadhaar card. Although access can be free of charge initially, entry will be closely regulated and granted on a daily basis by the ITBP. Overnight stays remains prohibited to ensure security and environmental protection. The opening of Shipkila Pass also provides a gateway to scenic and cultural rich locations that have long been off limit to the public, including Lipcha, Gyo Monastery, Khana Dumit, Sangla, Rani Kanda, Chitkul, and parts of neighboring Laul Spiti region. Regional significance and strategic demonstrations. Notably, Shipkila lies on the border route leading to Kailash Mansarovar, a reverse pilgrimage site for Hindus located in Chinese-administered Tibet. However, access to Mansarovar through this corridor still requires formal clearance from Chinese authorities and remains outside the scope of this tourism initiative. Beyond its tourism and cultural revival aspects, the move is widely seen as a calculated strategic step. With China accelerating infrastructure development along the LAC, India's decision to promote controlled tourism and civilian presence in its own border regions is a clear assertion of sovereignty, resilience, and presence. The Border Tourism Initiative not only opens up untouched Himalayan beauty to visitors, but also aims to empower local communities through ecotourism, cultural preservations, and economic opportunities. It represents a significant step towards integrated remote border villages into mainstream national development while reinforcing India's geopolitical posture. This is more than just a tourism project. This is the declaration that our people, culture, and presence thrive at every inch of our land, no matter how remote, said CM Sukhu during his address at the border. Listen to the whole bite.
57 वर्ष पहले देश की प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी ने इस स्थान पर आकर एक इतिहास रचा था। उस समय कोई कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकता था कि श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी और प्रदेश के पहले मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर यशवंत सिंह परमार जब शिवकिला आए होंगे, ना सड़क थी और छोटे छोटे खच्चर के रोड हुआ करते थे। वो क्यों आए? वो उस समय उनकी क्या सोच रही होगी, उसके बारे में तो मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता, लेकिन एक बात कह सकता हूं कि उनकी सोच इस क्षेत्र में जो हमारे सैनिक रहते हैं उनका हौसला अफजाई करने के लिए कि आप देश के इस अभिन्न अंग पर जिस प्रकार आप देश की सरहदों की रक्षा कर रहे हैं, मैं आपके साथ खड़ी हूं और प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री के तौर पर यशवंत सिंह परमार जी भी खड़े थे। आज 57 वर्ष बाद मुझे इस ऐतिहासिक पल का समय मिला है। मेरे साथ मेरे राजस्व मंत्री जगत सिंह नेगी जी को और जो यहाँ से विभिन्न बाहर से पत्रकार आए हैं, आप सब लोगों को आज शिवकिला आने का मौका मिला। शिवकिला हमारे देश के लास्ट बॉर्डर में है और नमगिया लास्ट गांव है। अभी मेरे सामने जब मैं भाषण दे रहा हूं तो मुझे चाइना का जो बॉर्डर पोवारी गोम्पा है वो सामने नजर आ रहा है। सामने पहाड़ जो है ये चाइना का बॉर्डर है, पोवारी गोम्पा। और जो इनका कैंप है लैंपसैंग कैंप, यहाँ से थोड़ी दूर स्थित है।
That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to the Savera. Download the app and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.